My name is Dr. Josh Ferrell. I just want to give you a very important lesson today on the most important question you can ask your doctor. A lot of times people go into the doctor, they ask, how can you help me with this symptom? How can you get rid of my headache? What can we do about my high blood pressure? And inevitably what happens is that the doctor does some tests to try to understand what is the level of the high blood pressure, or what is the level of this hormone, or the level of this biochemistry in the blood. And then they work diligently to try to balance the body out, but what they're misleading you is that they're balancing the body synthetically, and that is never going to create a balance. That is going to force the body into a level. So just ask yourself the question, what's going to happen if you remove the treatment? What happens if you remove the medication? Then the body goes back to being unbalanced. So today we want to learn that the most important question for our doctor is, doctor, what is the cause of my high blood pressure? Because there's many different causes, and not one of them is a lack of medication. So if we understand what the cause is, we can go to the root. So the most important question is, again, what is the cause of my health concern? We always want to know what normal function is. So this chart right here refers to that function. So if we know one important fact, that the brain controls every aspect of the body, this is a cross-section of brain function. You see here in the gray, that's the motor unit. That's the part of the brain that is pulled out for motor or muscle function. Helps us control our muscles, walk, gait, things like that. Whereas the beige part there shows autonomic function. That's the control of organs, blood vessels, and glands. It's the more important of the two. And then down there at the bottom, that red area is sensory input. So if we're basing our health on how we feel, we only get it right about 6, possibly 10% of the time. So once again, if your doctor's goal is to get you to feel better based off the question, can you help me with the symptom, then we're really going to only address the part of the problem that you can feel, which never leads to health. So thank you for your time. I hope to see you again.